Welcome to Real Charts. In a dialogue format, I'll explain how you can triple your investments, but with one big problem. Imagine this situation. John had $10 million in 2004. He decided to invest and enjoy life without working. As a result, now he has $30 million. He tripled his investment while others were working their jobs.
Are you saying I could have tripled my money?
Well, yes, but there's one small thing.
What small thing?
Look, you're being tricked. You see a chart that's not real. Well, it is real, but not really. The problem is the Coca-Cola stock price is shown in dollars, and no one asks why.
What else could it be? It's dollars.
Look at the green chart. My algorithm converts the usual chart to show the real value of the asset. It doesn't just show stocks against dollars, but stocks against what you can actually buy with dollars. The real value of the dollar is how many goods or services you can get for $1.
Okay. What does that mean?
It means with Coca-Cola, you made your money 3 times bigger, but the dollar became worth 3 times less. So you didn't really gain anything, or you might have even lost money.
Wow, I never thought about this. Did you make this?
Yes. Good assets that have grown significantly would have saved you from such an unpleasant situation. I understand it seems the market is even more complex given this new information, but it's not.
Now, the question is what to do with this knowledge.
Now you understand reality better than most market participants. You'll be surprised how much this information will help you in life. Let's imagine the following. John also learned about real charts. He contacted me to invest in interesting assets. What would I advise him? Only what I buy myself. My fair price indicator answers the most important question for an investor. Is it profitable to invest now? Most stocks are overvalued already, but fair price immediately shows those assets that are currently undervalued. In other words, those assets that are profitable to invest in because the price is fair for the investor. The first project I chose is Tesla. Why? First, a signal from the fair price indicator.
Oh, I think I get it now. My target as an investor is to buy an undervalued asset, and that's exactly what fair price helps me do.
Second, market capitalization of $700 million when the largest tech companies already have more than $2 trillion. There's potential. Third, release of new car models, preparation for truck production. But this is important only if you pay attention to the following points. Fourth, full self-driving. In fact, Tesla cars will become a completely new revolutionary device, like the iPhone once was. Fifth, you might say, we'll have to wait a long time for self-driving. However, Tesla now has the world's largest developments in this field, their own AI team and their own AI chips, which is extremely important. In fact, they are independent from other companies because they can do everything: conceive, develop, create, launch, and maintain. Sixth, Optimus robots will soon be mass-produced. You'll be surprised, but they are already learning based on the actions of Tesla employees. For now, they are slow, but the next generation will have changes that will significantly speed up movement. Analysts estimate this new market to be worth tens of trillions of dollars. As you can see, the prospects are obvious. The company can become one of the largest in the world.
By the way, I have a friend who works at Tesla. They pay well.
I'll also recommend a few other assets to John: Etsy and the Polish game company CD Projekt Red. Let's start with Etsy. It's actually an interesting project, although, honestly, I wasn't interested in it until I researched the statistics of the service usage. Etsy is a marketplace for sellers of various goods, very popular in the USA. As we know, the USA is the most profitable and wealthy market that is constantly growing. First, look at the fair price indicator. We see that now is a fair price to buy Etsy company shares. Second, the market capitalization is $6 billion, while the revenue is almost $3 billion. Third, look at the statistics. It's just super. Obviously, the service usage metrics are growing, which personally gives me confidence in the company's potential. Constant growth creates a network effect where more and more people learn about the marketplace. Some will want to earn money by selling goods there, some will want to buy easily. Such services form a habit, so it's almost impossible to become their competitor. You can find out a lot of interesting information on my Real Charts service. Other services don't provide quick, quality answers to investors' questions. On real charts, you don't need to read many unknown, unnecessary indicators. Everything is done for you by an automated system, as it should be in the modern world.
To be honest, I'm still wondering where your friend John got so much money.
He worked for a long time, ran a business, and he's much older than you. He has lived 3 of your lifetimes, so don't worry, you'll save up too. Their next and last asset for today is CD Projekt Red. It's a gaming company from Poland known to almost all gamers for the famous games The Witcher and Cyberpunk. As an experiment, I asked my acquaintances and friends if they play the company's games. Also, if they're waiting for new parts of the famous games. To my surprise, many wait for new parts and are ready to buy a new game even if the reviews are bad. Loyal fans and mass recognition are super important aspects for analyzing the potential of a gaming company. Let's move on to the chart. As always, I first check the asset using the fair price indicator on real charts. We see signals that give confidence in the need to invest now. The asset's history demonstrates even more confidence. I believe that this time the stock growth will be much faster because the company has gained popularity and has good indicators in the network effect.